Thunder! Nature's alarm clock. Looks like the cosmos doesn't want us to be late for HeroCon!
Let's do this! Today's the day I'll finally be known as the Ultimate Collector! Check it out.
Captain Atomic action figures. Boy, these bring back memories.
I'm Captain Atomic! I'm Captain Atomic!
Poor misguided children. There's only one Captain Atomic. And you're looking at him.
Wow! Captain Atomic!
Hey, kids! Now you can have pretend Captain Atomic adventures with my new line of red action figures. Look over there! It's evil!
Ooh!
Tell your parents you want them all. If they say no, Atomic Tantrum!
Yay!
Will not actually summon Captain Atomic. Figures not as shown. Friends not included. Atomic Tantrum. Genius!
Honestly, I'm shaking right now. After all this time, I'm finally gonna have all 132 Captain Atomic action figures!
Yeah, all 132.
Hey, why'd you use your sneaky voice?
Sneaky? No, that was my encouraging voice. As in, yeah, let's get all 132.
Uh-huh. Next stop, HeroCon!
HeroCon. Just like I remember it. Minus the colossal star power of a certain someone.
Whoa, check it!
I'll give you 10.
I'll give you 20.
Pardon me.
30.
I'll give you 60! Yes! Captain Atomic number 97, Atomic Prom Date!
That classy son of a gun will show you a good time and get you home by curfew.
All right, only 2 to go. Gotcha! Number 112, Atomic Merman!
The manliest half fish in all the 7 seas.
Hey, do you smell that? Captain Atomic 132, Atomic Gym Teacher with Lifelike BO! My collection, it's finally complete!
What are you doing? Heroes don't cry.
Sorry, it's just the Lifelike BO is really lifelike.
Did I hear you say you got every single atomic action figure, my boy?
You heard right, my man.
Even number 68?
Electro-Atomic with Lightning Lance. Happens every time. Good thing I have extras.
That's an impressive collection.
And now I've got all 132.
132? But there are 133, my boy.
133? I don't think so. I know a guy who was around back when these were being made, and he says there's only 132.
Well, this guy doesn't know the whole story, then. 133 was to be the ultimate in action figure technology. It could transform into a life-size Captain Atomic with super mechanized strength. It would have been like owning your very own superhero.
Must have 133. Want now? Now!
Sadly, my boy, only one was ever made. It was sold to some rich weirdo. Oh, what I'd do to see that magnificent toy again. My boy!
We gotta find this guy.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Dude, why didn't you tell me about Captain Atomic 133?
'Cause it doesn't exist anymore.
You heard the old guy. Some rich weirdo has it, and I want it.
That old relic says a lot of stuff that isn't true. Trust me.
Huh. Says here Mega City's eccentric billionaire and toy collector Rudolph Mintenberg owns it. Let's pay him a visit.
Not gonna happen.
Ugh, what's your deal?
I'm the reason there's only one Captain Atomic 133 left. Back in the day, I used to okay every action figure they cranked out. Nothing was too goofy. Then that toy maker crossed the line. They went too far. Way too far. It was an abomination. Something so evil I had to stop it. Now you know why. That action figure should never again see the light of day.
No, not really.
Let's just say, if it was ever unleashed, who knows what kind of damage it would do?
Okay, but if that's the case, wouldn't it make more sense for me to have it instead of someone else?
That's a good point. So, what's the plan for nabbing 133? Bash our way in?
Nah, I was thinking tradesies.
Ah, guests! Or should I say, super guests? I hear you've come for Captain Atomic 133.
No! Where'd you get that idea?
Sneery, playback, please.
Playback engaged.
So, what's the plan for nabbing 133? Bash our way in?
Look, I will do anything to get your Captain Atomic 133.
May I hunt you for sport?
Sir, may I remind you, your hunting slippers are at the cleaners.
Drat! Or might you be willing to, say, battle my life-size vintage rocket circus robot instead?
We got this.
Come on, do we really need to waste our time here?
He's never lost before.
You're on!
Yay! Now fight! Oh.
Booyah!
Delightful! That's the most fun I've had in hours. Yay!
Okay, this guy's starting to creep me out.
You, sir, are the victor, and as such, I present Captain Atomic 133!
Yes! My collection is complete!
As its new owner, there is just one thing you should know.
We'd love to stay and chat, Mr. Moneybags, but we've got to fly.
But it's a matter of life and... I'll figure it out.
So, now what? Drop it to the bottom of the sea? Into the mouth of a volcano? Ooh, hurl it into the sun!
No, dude, we're taking it to HeroCon. Think of the look on that old man's face when he sees that we actually found it.
Nuh-uh, absolutely not. Nope, no way, no how. Never, ever, ever, ever.
Fine. Rock, paper, scissors, go! Yes, paper beats rock.
No fair! That was supposed to be scissors! Scissors! Joey, I'm begging. Do not do this.
Get ready to have your mind blown and heart warmed all at once.
Can it be? Oh, you've made an old toy maker so very happy.
See, now doesn't that feel good? Hey!
I was the greatest toy maker in the land, and this toy was to cement my legacy. But now I will use it to turn over every building in the city in search of Captain Atomic and crush him for good.
Wait, what?
I begged you.
All shall quake before my greatest creation, prima donna Captain Atomic. And trust me, it won't play nice.
Happy now?
That was the ultimate in action figure technology?
Pirouette power, activate!
Uh-oh.
Go forth and destroy the city!
We gotta stop that thing before it destroys my legacy.
Legacy? You won't have a legacy if we don't save the city.
It's atomic time!
Dance your humiliating dance of destruction! Who's laughing now? Wait, it's me.
It's going on a devastating but graceful rampage.
This is so humiliating!
Hey, Pete, wait!
What are you doing?
I'm just trying to keep him in mint condition for my collection.
Grand pirouette, attack! Dance, my pretty, dance!
Enough! Time to put this toy away.
Then we'll throw it into the sun and never speak of this again!
Is that all you got?
We're just getting warmed up.
Pivot, grunge-a-tay, twirl, derriere! Hey, super babies, why don't you just go home and play with some toys?
Wait, you're not seriously going home to play with your toys, are you?
No, my toys are about to bring this little rampage to a shocking conclusion. Heads up!
Shocking! I know how much that meant to you, but I'm so relieved it's gone.
It's okay. Besides, now that 133's been destroyed, there are only 132 left, which means...
You've got a complete set?
Exactly. Victory pose!
Joey, faster! Faster!
We're cutting it close!
Welcome to Mega Cities Mysteries. I'm Rex Bordeaux. Today, Sasquatch? Or just a hairy dude in need of some manscaping?
Dude, go long.
It's atomic time.
Hello, Warren.
Hello, Joey Felt. Guess what I've got?
Are you spying on me and my, pets? Hamster?
If by hamster you mean that filthy sock you put on your hand to become atomic puppet, then yes.
That? That's just my new costume for Atomicon.
I think you're lying.
Whatever.
And I have proof.
Okay, you got me.
I knew it!
Yeah, Atomic Puppet's my best friend. You happy now?
Really? You expect me to believe that?
Oh, yeah. In fact, he came over last night to watch Mega City Mysteries.
Oh, then you and your BFF will most certainly enjoy watching yourselves on Rex's TV show when I blow your secret identity wide open.
AP! AP! Beasley knows about us!
What? Oh, I could see it now. Earth's greatest, most handsome, amazing superhero, Captain Atomic, turned into a living puppet.
What about my family? Oh, I don't even want to imagine what could happen. Oh, man, we need to think of something. I got it. We just got to figure out a way to throw Warren...
Into the sun? Oh, now you're talking.
No, we got to figure out a way to throw him off track. Oh, if only there was a way to be in two places at once. Nah, that's ridiculous.
Whoa! Pump the brakes. That idea's not ridiculous at all.
Hey, Roboron! Heard you got something for us. Whoa!
Clearly not as handsome as the real me, but it'll do.
You rock, Robo-Ron, mightiest member of the Justice Alliance.
Whoa, that's not gonna work. Ron, come on. We gotta give it some personality here. Eradicate evil and deliver atomic justice to supervillains.
Whoa! Up high, Atomic Bro! Up high. Oh, dude, I said hit me up high. You know, like up high. Then you hit me down low. Down low. He's just saying warning. The android will literally take you literally over and over.
Oh, now you tell us? All right, we've got a job to do, Mr. Literal. Now let's fire it up!
Come on, it's time to take some pics. Oh, hey, Warren. Did you get my email?
No, but I got one from Atomic Puppet. Oh, wait. You're the same person. Enhance! Look, I can even see your little puppet taking the picture.
What? That? No. That's just some stupid cat toy. Hey, Bubbles. Here, kitty.
Save your story for Mr. Bordeaux.
Joey!
Bubbles, no!
A cat toy?
Sorry, dude. I panicked. Sorry, dude. Cat toy. Panic.
Oh, great. It's gone haywire.
No, it's learning. That's it. We'll train him for a little face-to-face with Warren. Okay, a thumbs up means good. A thumbs down means bad. You try. Thumbs up!
Thumbs down.
Android dude, you gotta loosen up. Loosen up!
And where does evil go? To the Megamax prison facility. Well, sure, sometimes we do that. But mostly we toss evil into the sun. Into the sun. Oh, come on, not into the sun. You gotta say it like you mean it. Evil, you have a date with the sun! Oh, now we're talking. Scanning Mega City for Beasley Unit. Target acquired.
Right on. So now just put us down over there.
Slowly! There you have it. Mystery solved. The ghosts in this haunted house were, in fact, just sheets draped over furniture. I'm Rex Bordeaux, blah, blah, blah.
Mr. Bordeaux! Mr. Bordeaux, Mr. Bordeaux!
Beat it, kid.
But I'm your biggest fan.
Go on.
My name's Warren Beasley, and I have the scoop of the century. Atomic Puppet is my neighbor, Joey Felt.
Hey, Warren, buddy, what's up?
The jig is what's up. That kid is Atomic Puppet.
This spaghetti arm boy is our city's champion.
All right, we'll go on then. Put that puppet on your hand and prove me wrong.
No?
Oh,
Action. Get in tight.
Joey, is everything all right?
What? But how can that be?
Sorry, kid. Your story's a dud.
Wait, come back! I can prove it, I swear!
Love your work, Mr. Bordeaux. Oh, hey, Warren. Want to get a picture with Atomic Puppet?
All right, I was wrong. I get it. You don't have to rub it in.
You think we went too far?
I don't know, Joey. Maybe you're right. Maybe we should go apologize.
Serves him right for trying to expose us.
Yeah, that Warren Beasley's pretty evil. Beasley is evil. Time to throw Warren Beasley into the sun.
Wait, what? Bad robot! Bad robot!
Now that might be something you need to apologize for.
Come on.
Oh, thank goodness! Atomic Puppet,
Warren Beasley, you are evil and must be tossed into the sun.
Android, leave Warren alone.
But he's evil, just like AP said. Evil's a strong word. He's mostly just annoying. Define annoying. Slightly evil. More of a pest, really. I will eliminate this pest.
No, stop right there. Logic malfunction. Atomic Puppet is protecting evil Warren Beasley. Therefore, Atomic Puppet must be evil. Eliminate Atomic Puppet.
Eliminate that!
Eliminate Atomic Puppet. He doesn't know what's real. Catch us if you can.
Must destroy Atomic Puppets.
Over here!
Over here!
Miss me!
Must destroy Atomic Puppets. Must destroy Atomic Puppets. Must destroy Atomic. Must destroy Atomic Android. Victory pose!
Warren! You okay?
I don't remember a thing, Mommy. Where am I?
It's a long story. Come on, Warren. Let's get out of here.
Okay. Mommy, will you carry me?
There.